You've worked hard, raised a family, built a life. Now that you're retired or getting close, you're wondering what's next? What if I told you starting a YouTube channel could not only bring in extra income, but also keep you from being bored, feeling lost, or relying entirely on a social security check that barely covers the basics? YouTube isn't just for the young, it's for the wise. Hi, I'm Eleni, and today I have been pondering on retiring. And I was at work today, and I'm thinking all I want to do is go home and work on my YouTube channel. And then I'm here to help people over 50 and 60 and 70 and any age that you are start fresh through YouTube, digital income, and mostly purpose-driven living. In this video, I want to help you discover why starting a YouTube channel in retirement is one of the best decisions you can make, how it can help you avoid depending on Social Security, multiple ways to earn money, even with a small audience, and examples of real people your age, my age, doing this, and simple steps to start today, even if tech isn't your thing and you don't need to be famous. You just need to be real. How do I get out of this job? How can I make enough of an income to retire comfortably? And not only retire comfortably, but have the freedom to go where I want to go, do what I want to do, and travel and be myself, where I'm not a slave to somebody telling me what to do, when to go on break, when to go to lunch, when to go in, when to leave, and just for nothing, for minimum wage. It's exhausting, and especially at my age. But today, I want you to stick around and I'll show you how this could become your next chapter, financially and personally. I haven't reached it yet, but this is where I am striving to be. I want to have the freedom, I want to have the income. You already have wisdom. You've lived through things most younger creators haven't. That's valuable. I've said it before and I'll say it again. People go to YouTube for advice, for insight, and for real talk, not just trends or tricks. YouTube gives you something to look forward to. Retirement without purpose often leads to boredom, depression, or isolation. A YouTube channel gives you goals, a routine, and a reason to create. It also gives you an opportunity to build a community with your subscribers, to become friends, to talk about things. They comment, they share stories. You start to feel a part of something bigger. You discover new interests like filming, editing, new skills. You start to share things. It keeps your brain sharp. It keeps you thinking. You'll start to care about the lighting, your thumbnails, your storytelling in ways you never expected. For me, starting a YouTube channel made me feel alive again. It's given me purpose. It's given me something to look forward to. Even if I come home exhausted, the only thing I think about when coming home is like, oh, I get to work on my YouTube channel. Am I going to record today? Oh, I look like crap today. I'm not going to record today. I'll put myself together. Today I don't look so good, but I really don't care. So, but it gives you purpose. It gives you interest. I wake up in the morning excited. And you create a financial relief, or we try to create a financial relief. And if we're consistent enough and we give it our all, it will happen. So let's face it, relying only on Social Security is tough. YouTube opens up income doors, even if you're not tech savvy. So let's break it down. Exactly how you earn money on YouTube, even with a small channel. So number one, you have to get monetized. And once you get monetized, you will earn some revenue. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, as you know, YouTube pays you based on ad views. So typically rates are between $5 to $15 per 1,000 views. Self-help, finance, retirement topics are higher rates. Example, 20,000 views in a month, which might get you 10 CPF equals to about $200 a month. Now, what is CPM? It's clicks per million. So $10 for 1,000 clicks, for example, $200 a month, which is 20,000 views per month times 10 CPM is 200 a month. 100,000 views a month would be $1,000 a month. That's for the AdSense. And these are examples. Number two, you could do affiliate marketing. You could recommend a product. And if someone buys it through your link, you earn a commission. For example, you talk about a journal, a health supplement, or a budget app that you might link in your video, and you can have your description in Amazon or share a sale, etc. And the viewer buys it, you can earn between $1 to $50 per item. So here's a scenario. 5 sales a day at $10 would be $1,500 a month. 5 sales isn't that much. For example, if you like the microphone I'm using, I have a link to it in the description below. You click on that link, it will take you to Amazon and you will see the microphone I'm using. And if you like it, you will buy it. I will get a very small commission for that. That is the power of affiliate marketing. Now, digital products, for example, an ebook, a template, a checklist. You can create so many things and you can create it once and you can sell it multiple times. For example, an ebook, say retirement on a budget, how I downsized my life after retirement. That's a great book. You can make a checklist, monthly financial prep after 60, or a template, weekly meal plan for one, senior edition. Sell it for $7 to $15. You can sell 100 copies a month, and that would be about $700 to $1,500 a month. Tools to use. You could use Gumroad, Payhip, Canva. You can use all these tools to create your digital products. Number four, you could do coaching or one-on-one mentoring. If you're a retired teacher or a counselor or a coach, you can offer guidance sessions online. The list is endless. If you've got a system or a life strategy that works, turn it into a course. For example, how to start a YouTube channel after 60, or declutter and downsize in retirement. Imagine making an extra 2,000 plus a month doing something meaningful, something creative, something that makes you feel alive from the comfort of your own home. How cool would that be? So, pick a channel topic and ask yourself, what do people ask me about? What do I have to overcome that others might struggle with that I can help with? Because we all have the same struggles, let's face it. We think we're alone, but we're not. We all go through the same thing. And there are popular topics for retired creators. For example, budgeting and money advice, simple home repairs, or cooking for one or two. Like I know me, I don't know how to cook for one or two. I have to cook for 20. Otherwise, I just can't get it right. You could do gardening tips if you love that, health routines, over 60, life stories and reflections. And step two, set up your channel. Use your Google account, choose a simple channel name, add a picture of yourself, write a short about section in your channel, and then step three, film with what you have. If it's your smartphone, it's your smartphone. We all have a smartphone. Natural lighting from a window, speak like you're talking to a friend, just like I'm talking to you now. Speak from the heart, and that's what people want. They want authenticity. They want to know your struggles, and you want to know their struggles, and that's how we help each other. And step number four, upload weekly. Consistency is key, and not only with YouTube, with anything. Have you ever done anything in your life that you haven't been consistent on and you succeeded? Absolutely not. The only time we succeed is when we are consistent. And step number 5, add affiliate links. Mention your ebooks, your checklist, your coaching, whatever you have to offer in your description. Link to your website or product pages. You've lived, you've learned, you've got something to say. And with a little courage, a little camera, and consistency, you and I can create an income, we can create a purpose and a community in our retirement years. No waiting on Social Security checks, no being alone, no more wondering what to do with your time. No more thinking it's too late. Have a community, share your thoughts, share your life with somebody else, and make some money in the meantime. That would help you. So, if you found this video valuable, please like the video below. Share your comment. Tell me what you're passionate about. What do you want from your retirement years? And if you're ready to explore, please hit that subscribe button for more guidance every week and drop a comment below. What's one topic you would share with the world that you've learned through your life? Let's make this an exciting chapter for our lives, our chapter 2. We've got this.